We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned as long as the price haven't retested this low, if we get any buy setup, we can look for buy, and we have been looking for this correction. We want to see whether we can get any buy setup or not. Okay, and as I mentioned, there is no much changes in relate if you refer to our analysis in my last video. And in this case, we move to higher time frame. We see what we have based on higher time frame. And based on our daily chart, the only thing is we want to see how complex can be this. Okay, because we're looking for next move, but mostly we can expect this one turn to a bit complex before we get the next may similar to this, but mostly I think maybe smaller than what we have here. Okay, but by the way, any buy setup we'll take it. We're looking for buy, and even if we move to forward chart, this is what we're looking for. Any buy from now we will take it. Okay, as long as the price haven't retest this low. If the price retest, then from there we need to see. Mostly we can look for the reversal, but the question is we see whether we get the reversal or not. And even if we get any buy setup, we expecting, because we will put this correction relative to this, we expecting the price to tag 0.01067. This is where we start to manage. I mean, when I say at this level, at least we move over stop loss to break even, and following by 0.0115, this is where we start to book some profits. These two, they are too close to each other. Mostly for long term, if we're looking for the long term trade, we don't need to look for the target as long as we can manage it. But if the price come to any of this level, we see there is no continuation. This is where we at least we should take out the profit or move our stop loss to break even. Anyway, we move to 1 hour chart. The only thing is, as I mentioned, there is no much changes. And if we refer to my last analysis, any buy setup with a sharp move flag, we will take it. Having entry above this also can be an option, either from above this or here. But having entry above this is really risky. Simply price can tag and reverse. That's why if you want to have entry above the top, what we're looking for, break and continue the price tag. Even if in the first hour we see it's not moving, we should take out the trade. But again, it depends on the traders whether they can manage or not. The best thing is if we get any sharp move, the flag, then from there we'll take it. Okay, since we get the sharp move, there was no flag, there was a continuation. That's why we didn't have any trade setup. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. We're looking for the buy setup, but right now we don't have it, and mostly we're looking at this. In this case, if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.